MMTLP on 30 November. So if you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe for more price predictions. We have to go for if you know that 3 hours update is not still not accurate, so it's going to be about right now 5-minute update. So 5-minute update gave us larger movements. Maybe if we went for 3 minutes updates would give us larger and larger movements. So I think this can be returning back for what I say is the additional appearance of the wave, so it will give us a clear movements of wave in a slope form here and then in a straight form. So straight form give us in this place that it has spike small increase, so I think this would be increase until this level and then it could decrease in this form, and that's what I can think about the price on MMTL being used today.